Whether it's tackling queries or scripts we didn't write ourselves, dealing with complex ones, including those we've forgotten the purpose of, navigating their workings can be a challenge. Now, faced with the task of modifying them to incorporate additional details, improve the logic, or refine the outcomes can intensify the challenge. But not to worry, Toad's AI Explain feature is here to help. It can analyze your queries, scripts, and selected objects and provide clear explanation in plain language, guiding you through the details effortlessly. You can find the AI Explain icon on your editor toolbar. Simply load your queries in the editor in order to enable the icon. The explanation includes a general summary of the SQL statement, its purpose, components, and a detailed explanation. Options available are copying the outcome to the clipboard, saving to an HTML file, or print. We encourage everyone to leave us feedback in order for us to continue to improve the feature. The other areas that you'll find AI Explain is in the Schema browser. Supported object types include procedures, functions, packages, triggers, and views. The AI Explain feature is completely secured as our AI is in a private environment and does not share or train on any information from your environment.